Roblox player Nick watch TikTok every day.
When someone tries you, what do you say? I think the fuck not, you trick ass bitch. No. Bruno.
I am not Jasmine. I am Aladdin so bad.
So what are you waiting for?
I don't know. Something amazing, I guess.
Dude, I can't even explain it. He was shooting heroin in the front seat.
He had diabetes, Jaden.
And she goes, well, he needs help. And I go, well, we're not doctors. We could stand around him for a while if you think that'll help. Like, yeah, he's fucked up.
No female got all three. Real hair, real eyebrows, and a natural face. Ain't no female got all three.
Fuck you. I literally hate showering until I'm in the shower, and then I never want to get out of the shower, and then I'm out of the shower, and I never want to get back in, but I also want to stay in and never get out.
Wait.
Why did you buy an extra large t-shirt? You basically can fit in a medium. Oh, thank you for asking. It's because I suffer from a condition called titties.
Hey man, has anyone seen my pliers? Or my tool belt? Or my square? Donde está my shit?
To the 12 people always liking my post, y'all want anything from the gas station?
Sir, I have your wife.
Oh no. What do you want?
If you want her back, you're gonna have to give me a $10,000 gift card to Target.
Seriously? Again?
Well, it is a waiting on the one that I'm not gonna face. It is a waiting on the one that I'm not gonna face. It is a rubber something nice over the top of the I used to be a doctor too.
You have lost yourself to madness.
I changed career paths.
Don't die while there's still life inside of you. Live now. There's plenty of time to die later. Hashtag speaking from the heart, B. Fletcher.
You ready? Here's a focus. Ready?
No, what the fuck is those said?
Huh? What?
Damn, look. They got girl skateboards.
Oh my god.
You can skate now.
They got gay skateboards.
Oh my god.
You can skate.
We're fucking set.
I hate when people be like, oh girl, why your hair not done? Oh shit, what the fuck? What you mean it's not done? It's done. Thought somebody said something.
Like you cut G. Like you cut G. Like you cut G. Like you cut G.
I like you cut, G.
Oh my god, what the hell do you want? Somebody better be dying. Wait, I work in the morgue. How am I supposed to live, laugh, love in these conditions?
You got a pout. Oh, shit. Well, goddamn. Oh, Lordy. Sit up. Jesus. We got the rest of our lives together, girl.
I slide rich nigga. Oh, I'm curious. He got a big figure. Bitch, you serious?
10, 20s, and the 50s, bitch. I'm a motherfucking star.
Things you can say to a tradesman.
And also in the bedroom.
Why is it that every time we do this, one bloke's doing all the work and there's four other guys just sitting on a shovel doing nothing?
Sitting on a shovel.
Or like leaning on a shovel, watching. No.
Could do, mate. Could do.
You know what I'm trying to say.
Sitting on a shovel. Apparently, it's a reasonable time to drink wine because it's 3:15.
I don't know what day is it.
Today's Tuesday. Oh God. Oh.
You worried?
I dreamed about you while I was in my poison coma. I was all old and withered, and you were still nice and pink.
You think I'm nice?
We've had a discussion.
About what?
Your mother wants to get a convertible. A car without a lid. But whenever we're in the normal car, nobody's allowed to lower the window more than a crack because it messes with the hair. So, explain that to me.
Somebody told me I look like a scarecrow today. They said I was outstanding in my field.
Luckily, most of us have that little voice inside our head that says, turning the car into oncoming traffic is counterproductive.
No boobs. Look in my eyes. No boobs. Only eyes. Only face.